The alibi of Muzi Sibiya, that's accused number one in the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial, has been dealt another blow. That's as his bank records show that he was in Gauteng between 2013 and 2015. The state says it's obtained the accounts of accused number 1, 2, 4, and 5. Chriselda is our senior reporter watching developments around this major trial. She joins us now live from court. And Chriselda, of course, part of the argument or the version of events presented by Muzi Sibiya is that he wasn't even in Gauteng at the time when the soccer star was killed. He's going to have to do a whole lot more defending of that version of events if the evidence we've seen so far is anything to go by.
Well, that's right, Ayanda. Remember that the version of accused number one, Muzi Sibiya, is that he was in KwaZulu-Natal between 2013 when he lost his job and 2015. Thus, according to him, could not have been in Gauteng nor involved in the killing of soccer star Senzo Meyiwa on the 26th of October 2014. But now a series of bank transactions read out in court show that Sibiya was in fact in the province and had made withdrawals at ATMs even in Vosloorus. That's of course on Gauteng's East Rand. So this is the second dash, if I may, for Sibiya's alibi. In March, you'd recall, a witness who testified about data from the National Administration Traffic Information System, the eNatus system, showed that Sibiya sat for his learner's license test twice in 2014 in Brakpan as well as in Boksburg. So you'd recall that the data was analyzed by, I think it was Chupia Christopher Matlo, that's right, who is an investigator for the Road Traffic Management Corporation. So certainly a second dash for his alibi. So earlier as well in court proceedings, the High Court also hearing about accused number one again, Muzi Sibiya's pointings out of the Senzo Meyiwa crime scene. The South African Police Service officer who drove the car to the two locations testified that Sibiya took them to the house in Vosloorus as well as an open field that was near a hostel. That police officer is Martin Nailana, who says on the 5th of June 2020, Sibiya pointed them to the Kumalo home where Meyiwa was killed on that day in 2014. And that second location, which I spoke about, which was an open area near the hostel. So this was, according to him, days after Sibiya was arrested. You'd recall that was on the 30th of May 2020. And the same day, you'd recall that this alleged confession was made by accused number one. So Sibiya, you'd recall, had previously denied the admission and the pointings out, claiming that police had assaulted and tortured him. But Nailana is yet again another police officer to deny that any assaults had taken place, in particular at the pointings out, which he was the driver of course. He described Sibiya as calm and non-hesitant.